Picture yourself in the 2013 Honda Civic. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Desire comes in many flavors. Crave your driving time. Get behind the wheel of the Honda Civic Coupe.